Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Debo D. We got all of our stuff in for the Stealth. Backup camera, Android radio, steering wheel control, speakers. So we're going to put everything in and see how it goes. A couple things that we picked up for the Stealth. I already pulled the radio out of it. It had a period correct, I want to say this was like a, I don't know, 95, 96 Alpine single DIN CD player. I mean, it was even equipped with the old iPod. The old iPod connection. I haven't seen one of those in years. But this Android-based 7-inch double DIN radio. We got the car rear view camera and tire pressure monitor sensors, which is supposed to be compatible with the Android radio. So we'll get this together. We'll start taking the Stealth apart and let's get some of this stuff in there. So we got our door speakers from Crutchfield. A little bit behind when it came to shipping, but they were here in a couple days. We got everything to install them. We got the 6x9 conversion templates from Scoosh, both sides. And then I got the foam speaker surround. And that is the access steering wheel control module. It's supposed to take the input signal from the vehicle and convert it to digital output, or voltage output I should say. Sorry about that. And it should be able to be read by our Android head unit. And then I picked up some LED fog light bulbs. I am waiting for the halo bulbs to come in. They're behind as well, so that will be up in the next video, and we'll install the LED fog light bulbs and then the halo bulbs as well. So we're going to get all that into here, One of the biggest things you got to remember when you're working with an older car, especially if it's never been taken apart before, all the clips, especially these small little clips here, with the tops on them, got to be careful because when you go to pop them off, they have a tendency to break. But OEM speakers, we're definitely going to give this thing a little bit of an upgrade. So we got the Rockford Fosgates that are going in, and we'll take it from there. Wrapped up the door speakers. This is going to be the final product then. And let me do this real quick. And then all the buttons match the color of the backlit gauges. I really do like this radio. It's one way to bring this stealth back up to the 21st century here. So you can change the center icon. Obviously, you can go to nav with Google Maps. I swapped it for the Dodge logo, and then we also have the rear backup camera. And then I know most of you wanted to at least see it and hear it run. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to see more of this content, please subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. See you again soon.